Thanks for joining this quick how-to video on authorizing the new calculation services in the Salesforce CPQ. In this video, we're going to learn how to authorize the new calculation service in the Salesforce CPQ after installing or upgrading the package, or if you've encountered similar errors like the ones displayed on the screen. This error happens when a user that authorized the calculation service is deactivated. First, verify if you have already authorized the calculator properly or not. If the non-human user is authorizing it, then the user should be the system admin, have access to at least quote and its related objects, have the Customize Application permission, and all objects that are modified by triggers, workflow rules, and process builders should be accessible. If the authorizing is already done, but you want to change the users, then you must first revoke the token by following these steps. First, click the number in the user count column. Then, for any users listed, click Revoke. The calculator will now no longer be authorized. Otherwise, if you could not find the number user count column for the SteelBrick CPQ, then you must proceed with authorizing the calculation services. To authorize as your desired user, first log into the org as your desired calculator, authorizing the user. Then, go to the Salesforce CPQ Managed Package Settings menu. In the Pricing and Calculation tab, click Authorize New Calculation Service. Click Allow in the pop-up if asked. The calculations should work after reauthorizing the calculation services. However, if you still see the error, then it is possible that there are some restricted IPs that may be causing this issue and restricting CPQ. Ensure that these IPs are on the Allow list before attempting to authorize the calculator again. For more information on allowing or restricting IP addresses, see this help doc. We've put a link to this in the short description of this video for you. It's recommended that a non-human user authorize the calculator. They would need to have their own profile along with no IP restrictions. If the error is still reproducible, or if the Authorize New Calculation Services link is not visible in the package settings, the token has to be refreshed. Please raise a case with Salesforce CPQ support to refresh the token. For more information, check out help.salesforce.com or join us on the trail at trailblazer.salesforce.com.